Turn on the flight controller switch. Open the Edge browser. Connect your phone to the flight controller's Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name is Butterfly Controller. The password is 12345678. Enter 192.168.4.1 in the URL bar. This is the control interface for operating the Bionic Butterfly via mobile phone. Battery indicates the flight controller battery level. Pitch refers to the butterfly's pitch angle value. The value changes according to the butterfly's pitch. Roll indicates the butterfly's roll angle. Yaw refers to the yaw angle during flight. The value changes only during flight. The stick switch enables throttle stick centering, making it easier for beginners to control. You can name your butterfly to easily identify it among others. Click the Save button to save your settings. Press the R button on the flight controller to restart it. Refresh the Wi-Fi data on your phone. Then locate the Wi-Fi name you set and reconnect to it. The password is still 12345678. The drop-down option for protocol shows the control protocol of the flight controller. Under the Wi-Fi protocol, your mobile device can control the flight controller. If you switch to the Ehlers protocol and click the Save button, restart the flight controller. The mobile phone will lose control of the flight controller. The mobile phone will also lose connection to the flight controller's Wi-Fi. If you want to reconnect to the flight controller's Wi-Fi, you need to restart the Wi-Fi function. After restarting the switch, double-click the B button. Refresh the Wi-Fi signal on your phone, and you will find the flight controller's Wi-Fi name. The red dot controls the throttle and direction. Amplitude controls the butterfly's pitch angle. Trim is the servo arm trim switch. Move the red dot left or right to adjust the right servo arm. Amplitude adjusts the left servo arm. Adjust both left and right arms to the horizontal position. Then turn off the trim switch. After turning off the switch, the arms will lift slightly. This angle is perfect for flight. Mode refers to the flight mode of the butterfly in the air. In Mode 1, push the direction stick to the top left corner, and the butterfly will perform an aerial roll. In Mode 2, push the direction stick all the way down, or all the way up to enable or stop the hover mode. Lock disables the flight mode. LED controls the lighting mode of the LED strip. There are 4 modes: always on, flashing, breathing, and always off.